Alright, I had a lot of questions about how I mounted up this FE501 FMF to my Husqvarna 701. So while I had the bike apart doing a shock revalve, I decided I would just show everybody what I did. So here I have a piece of, well, I guess I'll start here with this bracket. This bracket comes stock on this pipe. You're going to have to take a cutter and saw it off and grind it down flush so it's not sharp. That's the only mod you have to do to this pipe. If you come down here to the bike, I'm using the stock clamp and I'm using the stock mounting bracket. At Lowe's, I bought a rubber bushing here and a rubber bushing here and just made it fit so that I wouldn't get any jiggling around on my pipe. And then I'm using the stock holding point, and I went and bought a long enough bolt to go through. And since it won't thread into this pipe, you've got to have a nut for the back side. And you just need to loosen everything up from the header to the back so you've got some play wiggle room. And just mount it on. And as you can see that it just kind of lines up. So all you do from there is thread the bolt in and kind of line everything up, clamp the pipe on, and it should fit.